Thursday, 18th of July, it's 5:30. Right. No sun all day until, I don't know, an hour ago maybe. That's all artificial cloud there. It's the nasty toxic salt compounds. And above that, you can see some recent sprays. There you go. There's your aerosol chemtrail crimes, which is now a daily event. If it's not over land directly, it's over the sea, and they bring it in with EMFs. Okay, yeah, it's clear that way, I think. I don't know if you can see that. Some more recent sprays there. Hold on, that's in progress. It's in progress. Am I pointing the right thing? Because I've got the sun behind me now, so almost behind me. I can't really see. Am I getting it? It's in progress right now, spray. Right, so the forecast is rain tomorrow. So that's going to mean, if they probably failed the atmospheric river, I think they probably failed that. They can't really do that reliably. So it will mean nuclear power station cooling towers will be billowing out some moisture very soon. I think, well, just before it gets dark, I expect. Alright, so there's a whole mess up there. It's all mess. That's it. We get to breathe it all in, of course. Yeah, my head never feels clear, and I never feel fully cogent anymore because of this. Okay, that's it. It's like 20 to 6 now, just a little bit after the last portion of the video. Can't get any more blatant than that shit right there. The daily spraying us like insects, and everyone is a-okay. We're being sprayed like a bug. Mental, huh? Absolutely mental. No one speaks up about being sprayed like an insect. That's right. Okay, 20 past 9, and here it is the line of the moisture. Right, there's your manufactured rain coming in. Yeah, that looks natural, doesn't it? Yeah, here it comes. Okay. Yeah, I've been seeing the small aircraft all day cloud seeding, and that's it really. Just all day they kept up spraying poison, because these arseholes think they've got to do the weather. Yeah, so the crime continues. The chemtrail aerosol crime. Not using their terms. Okay, that's it.